Number one, negative energy. When you go to work, does it bring you down? Are you surrounded by complainers and complaints? Is your manager constantly pissed off? If so, you may be working in a toxic work environment, and bless your heart, I feel for you. Sign number two, no boundaries. Man, this is a tough one to navigate. You seen Office Space? Yeah, I'm gonna need you to come in on Saturday, like every week. That is no boundaries. Or the boss that's constantly asking you to work late or come in early, or just to get your workload done, by default, you have to work 12, 13, 14-hour days and weekends. Maybe this is okay in the short term for one or two projects, but if this is a habit and an expectation, that shows a lack of boundaries. Third indicator, you're not appreciated. Man, this one sucks so much, especially if you're one of those people who really cares about your performance, but it's not recognized. If you are a manager, this means that you need to really pay attention to how you are recognizing your employees. It's got to be often, authentic, and it's got to be something that employees feel is real. Find that little something that you can say positively about somebody's performance.